Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to download Hamster Kombat in App or Play Store. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Play Store app right here. And once we open our Play Store app, on the search bar, just search for Hamster Kombat. And then after that, just click enter. And then after that, as you can see right here, you will see an Hamster Kombat app right here. But unfortunately, in my account or in my location, Hamster Kombat in App Store or Play Store isn't available in my place yet. So if you do have, you can download it. And so if you don't have it, the next thing that we can do is to go on Telegram app. After that, on the search bar, just search for Hamster Kombat. And then after that, just click this Hamster Kombat bot right here, which has the verify badge. And then after that, just click. And then after that, just click play in one. And then click start. And then after that, you will be redirected to our website. And then as you can see, you can now play or use the Hamster Kombat for free. And so that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.